So new first date, we've introduced Ken to the line for the first time. So we actually have laundry Ken. Yes, we're putting him to work. Has a fun spin feature on the washing machine, so girls recognize that from the home. We also have shaving Ken, so with a little bit of cold water, you can shave the beard off of his face, and then with warm water, you can put it right back on, so it has a fun repeat play pattern. We also have our outdoor furniture assortment that we've refreshed, so we have a wood fire pizza oven, picnic table, and pool accessories. So these are always great add-ons to the dream house or any of Barbie's houses. Heading over to the Dream Camper. This is a perennial item in Barbie. We love our Dream Camper. This is always on girls' must-haves for their holidays. Very easy to do. Push the button, everything magically opens up for a really fun wow transformation. We have a pool with a slide. We have a bathroom. You can even pull the chairs out from the cab and create an outdoor dining experience. On the back of the camper, there's a refrigerator that has a stove as well for a little kitchen. And then we have sleeping for 4 with 2 hammocks and bunks on the top because Barbie loves to camp with their sisters. And now Chelsea's getting her own little camper. So our Chelsea vehicle can pull the camper. You can also remove it. It has a little trunk so you can put her suitcase in there. She has bunk beds, she has a little kitchen, and she has everything she needs to tell her own camping stories. We have Skipper Babysitters Inc. So Skipper's starting her own babysitting business. Over here we have our Skipper Nursery playset. Comes with twins for double the fun. Some fun Fisher-Price call-outs. We have some soft features with a little bouncer and rocking horse. You can even remove the mobile, bring it down to the ground so you have a little play mat. Then over here we have another Skipper playset for bath time fun. She has a fun feature that you can splash in the bathtub. You can squeeze the little rubber ducky and then create a fun bubble bath. And some additional storytelling pieces with our stroller, sandbox, and outdoor tent. In the world of Barbie's pets, we have our feature fall pet, that's Play and Wash Pets. It's a really fun color change feature, so when the pets splash around in the muddy grass, they're gonna get all muddy. But with some warm water, we can put them in the tub and then they get all clean again. Comes with a bunny, a puppy, and a kitty, and they all have their own food bowls for whatever they like to eat. They even come with a little bed so they can all snuggle up and sleep together. Barbie's feature horse. Our horses are always very popular in Barbie. It comes with Barbie, it comes with the horse who actually has a fun little nuzzling motion. It comes with Chelsea and the pony. It comes with the fence and all the accessories that you see, so you can see all of the fun horse telling stories that you can play out.